So you can see the sun is rising right now. In the name of Allah. Hello everyone. You will learn very simple nature vocabulary. I am here. You can see over here. Today I am very happy to have you here. Behind me you can see there is a mosque. This is a mosque. So there are some trees over here. The mango tree you can see over here. This is a mango tree. There is no mango on this tree on this time. You can see there is a park. There are some bushes in this park. There is no park earlier when I used to come here. There is used to be a park in this area. So now there is no park on this time. So there are some different kinds of trees over here. These trees are taller than mango tree. So you can see there is a volleyball net. Many people come here and play on this ground. It is a mosque. It's not big mosque. Sometimes people come here and offer their prayer. These are steps. These are 4 steps. This is my bicycle. This time by which I came here. Ablution area where the Muslim make ablution before prayer. You can see there are some taps. There is a cold store. So you can see over here, these are potatoes. Over here I am on the bicycle on this time. There are some flowers on this plant. You can see there are some different kinds of trees over here. Let's go from here. I am going to the other place. You can see there is a monkey sitting on the wall on this time. The monkey is looking at me. So you can see behind me there is a auto rickshaw coming towards me. I am riding the bicycle. You can see there is a Maaz group. The sign tells us right hand curve. This is a paddy field, very small paddy field. It is called saplings. There is a tree. I am under the tree on this time. There is a stagnant water. There are some muddy puddles on this road on this time. So I cannot ride my bicycle on this road. There is a field in which there is no crop on this time. This is plain field. You can see over here the horse cart is coming towards me. It's called horse cart. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep enjoying yourself. Have a good day. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.